everybody, this is Naomi with level 4. We're doing New Year, New You, so we've done 8 count Charleston, 6 count. So this week we worked on solo jazz. That's why Jeremy is behind the camera. He will be prompting me if I forget what moves we did. So we started with Susie Q. We did super simple style. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks very glamorous, I know. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then what we did was we pointed our foot in the direction we were going, and we fanned our toe, not our heel. So be careful, everybody. If you put your weight in the front of your foot, if you really lean forward, you're going to want to move your heel instead of your toe. Remember, I don't want them sticking up, but I do want the toe to be what's moving. So that's what we did. You can do Susie Q's on either 1 or 8. We did them on 1 with a kick on 8. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we did fishtails for Isaac's birthday. So we did a really simple, just step back. We went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Leading charge with our butt, going a little diagonal on those sits. Then we went up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Almost said up when I meant down. Then we put them together. It went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7. Remember, when you step, you're going to keep going into it. That's not the end of your going back. Next thing we did was half breaks and full breaks. I'll show them like this. They start on 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 3, 5. So I said you really want to stay over on your left side for those half breaks. That doesn't mean you have to lean back and do them like this. It just means I don't want us to be in between our feet like this. I want us over on the left. And on the full break, you really go for the right. Last thing we did was Shorty George, and that was a bit more homework. Look up Shorty George Snowden and Big B, his partner. We went 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just to get the footwork right. And then when we step on our left, our knees go to the left. 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, we get a little movement in here for both the fishtails and Shorty George, so it's not just from here down. That's it.